The bilateral relation of Ethiopia and the Puntland in trade, people-to-people ties, and in peace and security, among others, have been gaining momentum from time to time. In an interview with the RTA, Puntland President Cabdiweli Muhammad has lauded Ethiopia's scholarship offering to Puntland nationals to help the country produce skilled manpower.
The educational exchange is one of the areas that we collaborate with Ethiopia. And this is a mutually beneficial relationship, but more so for Puntland than for Ethiopia. Over 1,760 students from Puntland are privately enrolled in college and universities in Ethiopia. Currently, there are 360 students from Puntland studying in 31 of the 32 universities in Ethiopia, thanks to the generous scholarships that the Ethiopian government has provided. The educational sector usually improved after the sign of the Hirga agreement in 2010, where Puntland secondary certificates are considered similar to the secondary school certificates from Ethiopia.
The President also speaks of the current cooperation between the two countries in peace and security areas.
We consider our relationship with Ethiopia, particularly in the security sector, a very crucial and important for Puntland. We have a common enemy, for example, Shabab and ONLF. We have so having common enemy dictates that we have a common strategy against this enemy. So it's essential for us to cooperate. And our cooperation is at its highest. One of the reasons I came here also this particular visit is to beef up that security, to make sure that we don't have safe havens for rogue elements like Shabab or like ONLF and others.
President Cabdiweli Muhammad reiterates his country has a lot to learn from Ethiopia's federal system.
We have a lot to learn from the Ethiopian experience in terms of their institution building, in terms of how they adapted this, nationality-based federalism. Ethiopia has nationalities, we have a clan, so we're trying to learn from this good experience of Ethiopia and make sure that also they have a lot to learn from us. And particularly Puntland, we feel that we have a very close relationship, a long historical relationship with Ethiopia.
He also said efforts are underway to further strengthen the relationship